I've just received the Planner Society subscription kit for July. This is the big bi-monthly kit. You can see it's pretty huge this month. And also the washi kit. I'll just pop the washi kit to the side for the moment and have a look in the planner kit. Oh my goodness, there is a lot, I will say that. There's a great bunch of things in here. I think the first thing I'll do is just unwrap the paper. This is the first paper and it's not actually as bright as I was expecting, which is good. Because on the previews the kit did look very, very bright. And the reverse side of that is this. Then there's the yellow background paper. Not too sure how I feel about that one. And the reverse side of the yellow is this yellow. And the third paper is this pattern. There's a close-up of it there. And the reverse of that is this pattern here. I don't mind that pattern, but I'm not actually a huge fan of that one. Perhaps it might grow on me. Then we have some vellum. So there's this floral vellum which has a rose gold dot on it. You can see there the rose gold. And then there's another floral vellum which also has the foiling on it. Hopefully that's catching the foil there. With the acetate, there's this acetate with rose gold on it, which matches the pattern on this paper. And this foiled acetate, which matches the pattern on this paper here. And then there's also this laser cut page, which is a green. These are the kit papers and vellum and acetate, and to be perfectly honest, it's not love at first sight. But let's have a look at the other kit items and see what's there. I'm just going to start with the largest item in the kit and then work my way to the smallest item. So this is the largest item. It looks like clear stickers. These I think I like. So there are two really large, these are large, two really large sheets of clear stickers. This one is floral. You can see there are different florals on it. And the second sheet has various phrases on it. I like those. That's a nice addition to the kit. The next item in the kit are the scallop edges, which have been in kits for a while now, and I do like them. I like scalloped edgings. These ones are quite bright, but I guess they go with the brightness of the kit. And then we have a large sheet of puffy stickers. So florals and words. This kit for the Northern Hemisphere is obviously designed for summer. And then there are the adhesive tabs with the really large sheet of foiled words, which I really appreciate. I like this change in the tabs, and then we get 15 different tabs. So these are self-adhesive. So they're shaped as you'd expect, like a tab, and they just stick to themselves. And the next thing are bows. So these are also designed as tabs, so you can fold them in on themselves. Obviously you can just cut them separately and use them as decorative items too. So I would say that they would match the colours of the scallops. There we have both of them there. So half of them are in this shade of pink and half in the shade of green, both bright shades. And then there's some doilies. Okay, so there's some small doilies and some larger doilies. It looks like 2 of each type. They almost look like different colours again. Look at here's the pattern paper. It's sort of a different colour pink. Perhaps it's designed to go with this one. Okay, well there you can see those colours with the different papers. The other plain colour doilies, and then there's the pattern doilies. I find pattern doilies much harder to use actually, because they're quite fancy with the cutouts, and if you put them on a pattern they really don't work. So I do find I need to use a pattern doily on a plain colour background. But they're the doilies. And then there's the sticker pack. So here we've got mostly flowers. There's a summer outfit, some chairs. These are cute little boxes to use. The washi strips with the bow. And there's some much thinner ones there, I think, designed to put in the hobo maybe. And then some more decorative elements there, all with a little bit of foil on them. So the 4 sheets of stickers. And adhesive pockets. I love adhesive pockets. These are so useful. I really like adhesive pockets. I find them useful for lots of things. So we've got 2 of the larger ones in the 2 patterns of the paper, and 2 smaller ones. So they're each different pattern papers, and all 4 of them have a foil dot on them. I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up. I might pick it up easiest with this one. You can see a foiled dot on there. So all 4 of them have the foiled dot. And this is a new product. These are bookmarks, or you could use them for washi cards. They come in 2 different sizes. These ones are sort of like a laminated vellum, and these ones are a laminated cardboard. So there's 6 of those all together in the 2 different sizes. So these would be a perfect size for a washi card, and this is a good size for a bookmark or a page marker. So that's a nice new product. I also like it because it's relatively plain, it's not too busy. And the next product are the notepads. A nice cheerful yellow ribbon. And this one says notes, so obviously it's a jar of flowers, and there's lemons inside the jar, and they are sticky notes. They're sticky at the top there. There's a lot of them. And then this one is jot it down, and there are slices of citrus in there also. Maybe they're oranges, they look more orange than yellow. So there's the 2 there for size comparison. The next thing is word toppers. This one's in this type of foil. It's a bit hard to describe actually. very coppery, sort of a coppery red, sparkly glitter. I don't know, I'm not too sure how to describe that. So we have those ones, and then we have the same words and patterns to match the paper. So we've got 10 of those. And the next thing is the die cuts and the quote cards. There's a really good amount of die cuts. I'll just lay the die cuts out. There are all the die cuts in the kit. So there's some floral, there are a few summer outfits, four different summer outfits, and then sort of lots of different bits of household decor. Anyway, that's them. And these are the quote cards. So we've got "Be so good they can't ignore it," and that has, it looks like a hollow foil on it, or a silver. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Do what makes your soul shine. Every day is a fresh start. Be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. I love the saying. Create your own sunshine. So they're all really nice sayings or quotes. I really like that. Okay, I'll leave it there. And then we've got this clip and charm. It's a nice wide paper clip with a fabric bow on it. It's got a few little, a few little ratty ends that just need tidied up on it, but there's the bow, and there's this bow with rose gold. So a charm for putting like on the front or the side of a planner. Then there's this vinyl pencil pouch, which it's nice to see the end of this one's been sewn in. We've had this design in the past and it's had massive zip tails on the end there. So it's actually really nice to see that it's just finished off like that. I much prefer that. That has foil dots on it. To be perfectly honest, I'm not a fan of the screen at all. But anyway, there's a pouch, and there's a pen, which is one of the big fat pens that we've had a few of. I like the cap. I love the cap of the pen. I mean, if you don't have something good to say, don't say anything at all. So maybe I won't talk about that. And then there's this floral fabric patch, so that will be adhesive on the back of it. So there's that. And then also in the kit there are 2 rolls of washi. These are clear tapes, these 2, and they look like what we got in the last kit, which was the May kit, except in the May kit we got them with a gold foil, and these ones appear to be a rose gold foil. So it's rose gold, and it's a foil overlay tape, so you can lay it on top of washi or paper or a planner box, anything you like really, on top of something or just by itself even. And then this one will be the bow. So they're nice, I like them. I have used the gold one, but yeah, hopefully the next kit doesn't come with silver foiled overlay tapes, because I do love Planner Society washi, and it would be nice if it was maybe just back to Planner Society washi. Speaking of washi, I have the washi kit. So this is a separate subscription for the washi kit. So we have 4 rolls of washi. To be perfectly honest, I'm actually a bit disappointed with it, because these 3 florals are very samey to me. They just, you know, they're very, very similar. It's much nicer to create with things that are coordinating but different. But anyway, that's the washi there. I'll just unroll a little bit of it so you can see it. This is the wide 30mm washi tape, and that has a rose gold foil on the flowers. It's a pretty tape, I like it. Then this is the 15mm washi, if I can find the end. Here we go. And that has that pattern on it. This is the 10mm washi, so it has a smaller floral print pattern on it. So it's a smaller floral than this one, but still both florals with white backgrounds and rose gold foiling. And then this is the 5mm washi. I love my 5mm, they're so good for so many things. It has a yellow background and a floral on it. So this is all the washi with the kit washi and the additional washi subscription. You can see it all there. Yeah, that's the washi. I've laid out the July kit and the washi kit in front of me just to have a good look at everything. And to be perfectly honest, my first impressions are I don't really like it. It's just quite hard to say because I'm a fan of the Planner Society and I have been for years. I've been subscribing to the kit since March 2017, and I do know in the summer whenever there are brighter kits, I've never been a fan of the brighter kits. So I wasn't really expecting to like this kit. When I saw the actual outside bag and the first paper, I was thinking, actually, no, this is nice. It's not what I was expecting. But as I've unboxed it and I see it is very much what the sneaks were showing and very much what I was expecting, I don't really know how much of the kit I'll use. I do love these clear stickers, and these little bows are sweet. They're nice, and the bookmarks are really good, and the notepads. But as a whole, I'm not really feeling it. And I know everyone's different. I know a lot of people have unboxed this kit and have absolutely loved it, and in the Facebook group lots of people are raving about it. So I know that people like different things, and I like my pastel colours, and I'm sure a lot of people don't like pastels and they're absolutely loving this brightness. And I do think the Planner Society do need to mix it up to keep everybody happy. One of the things you expect from the Planner Society is floral, but that's really about the only expectation maybe that you could have. So that's the kit, and yeah, that's my honest unboxing. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.